how to enable or disable DJI device information on DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to DJI Mimo application. And DJI homepage, go to profile on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap profile. And profile, go to settings. Okay, tap settings. In settings and privacy and settings section, you can see here the analysis and improvement. Okay, you can tap this and now you can see here the DJI device information. And the DJI device information is enabled. So if this enable, allow DJI to access device information to active device. When disabled, okay, device will not be activated and related information about value added service will not be obtained in time. And okay guys, if you want to disable this, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully disabled. And if you want to enable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled DJI device information on DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.